Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time, but today I have something special for you guys. If you guys are not aware, there is a recipe that's going viral all over TikTok and it is the feta cheese pasta recipe. So we're gonna teach you how to make that, even though it's really easy and you probably don't need this video. For those that do, welcome. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, which I think it's this side. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And comment for any other recipes you want me to try next. And let me know. Yes, that is my husband practicing golf in the background. This is my life. These are the ingredients that you need. The ones that are mandatory are, you know, your pasta noodles. I'm using rotelli, which is like a spiral noodle. You need feta, you need your tomatoes, you need salt, pepper, and olive oil. But the ones that are optional that we're gonna incorporate today are red pepper to make it a little spicy, some basil, fresh basil, and garlic. Step 1, empty out the oven. Who doesn't store pots in their oven? Step 2, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So we're gonna use about 2 heaping cups of cherry tomatoes. You think that's enough? Maybe 2.5 cups. Okay, no, 2 cups, and then let's add a few more. Then we're just gonna wash these real quick. And then you're gonna wanna pat your cherry tomatoes because you don't want that excess water. And then you're gonna add your cherry tomatoes to your baking dish. We're gonna add some olive oil to the baking dish. So for that, I'm only gonna use 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon?
Is that too much?
That's way too little.
Oh. And then we put the second one in.
Probably before.
No, that's way too much. And then we want to add some salt. So we got some sea salt. And then pepper. Just a little bit for now. We'll add more later. Okay. And then make sure your hands are clean. And then you're gonna mix it all together. Oh. 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 Just for some taste, we're gonna add 2 huge garlic cloves that we halved. And now we have 7 ounces of feta. We're gonna drizzle a little bit more olive oil on the feta. Just a little bit. Optional, but we're gonna add some red pepper flakes to the top. It looks like a sunny side up egg. Then, you know. Now the oven is preheated to 400 degrees. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. Put that in the oven at 400 degrees for, we're gonna do 25 minutes at first and just check how it looks. Goodbye. Now you wanna salt your boiling water, just a little bit. And then we're gonna add 3 cups of the pasta.
No, probably like 6.
One more? 4 cups of pasta. That's a lot. Ow! I stepped on pasta! We're gonna chiffonade some basil, AKA
Roll a fatty.
roll a bunch, and then wows. We left it in there for 30 minutes. Then we broiled it for a little bit because the cheese wasn't getting all toasty. But look at that. Drain the pasta. Oh my God, bro, I couldn't even catch that. Add the pasta to your dish. We're gonna crush the feta. Then we're gonna crush some garlic. And then add the basil. Ooh. And then you mix it all together. I'm gonna add a little bit more black pepper. Stir it all up. And here is the pasta. Ooh, wow. Taste test. It's good.
It's pretty good.
It's like creamy, but like tart because of the tomatoes.
And the feta.
And the feta. So it's not like nukia or like overwhelmingly cheesy. You guys, be sure to give it a try. Let me know how it tastes. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, make sure to like and subscribe down below. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
My sous chefs. Say hello, Praise. Hello. Say hello, you mofo.
This doesn't sound that great.
It's gonna be so good.
5 minutes ago.
You're so rude.